All right, gang, I know it's been a little bit, but we're ready to launch the Build My Agent guest posting network. Thank you for being a part of this. I think it's exciting for all of us. If we work together, we should be able to dominate our local markets. That is the ultimate goal. Let's exchange links, let's exchange content, let's get our rankings as high as we can for our local markets, and let's generate some new leads. So without further ado, I'm going to go over the process for submitting content, and go over a few of the general requirements and rules. So we've had a lot of people sign up for Build My Agent. Before I make assignments and actually let people claim a city, I want them to participate in the program. If you go to our website, you can see available and claimed cities. I'm going to go through and if you participate in this guest blog post, I will, if you were the first person to claim your city, I will give you that location. So if you prepare a guest post, it's high quality, the other website or other agent accepts it, and if you post the content that you receive with the proper links, then you will receive, you will be able to claim your location. As long as you participate in the program, then you will be the only agent that will be able to receive content and pass content on to other agents from your city. All right, before we jump into the actual process of submitting content, I want everyone to do just a couple of things. This is going to be, establishing a baseline. I want everyone to be able to see value out of this program. So the first thing I want you to do before I help you with the optimization and before you start getting great links is to look and see where your website actually ranks for your local keywords. In my market, so it's Utah County. So I'm going to do Utah County real estate agent. So when we look here, my website, so we're in the 8th spot for Utah County real estate agent. So you guys, before you get started with this program, go into your market. If you're in Orlando, type Orlando real estate agent. Do a few different keywords. So you can do Utah County real estate or Orlando real estate agent, or Orlando real estate agency, best Orlando real estate agent. A couple of different keywords, and then just go into a simple Google Doc and record where you're currently ranking. So the whole goal is, after you guys do 3 or 4 different guest posts, I really suspect, or I really think that you'll see a massive bump in the rankings, especially if you follow through with some of the on-site optimization tips I'm going to give you. All right, there's one more thing I want you guys to do before we get started with the submission process. And this is called changing your homepage title tag. So you want your homepage to essentially be optimized around the most important keywords you're trying to target. On-site optimization is a big part of Google's algorithm, and this is essentially where we can say, hey Google, these are the keywords I'm trying to target. You have typically 60 characters that you can use in this homepage title tag. If you look at my site, if you come up here to this tab and you just highlight over, you can see it's Utah County Real Estate Agent, Best Utah Real Estate Agents. So those are Utah County Real Estate Agent and Best Utah Real Estate Agents. Those are the core keywords I'm targeting with my homepage. On these other pages, you can see I have other terms that I'm going after. Utah County Real Estate Agency, and then UT Realtors. So for every page, I'm targeting a different keyword. If you guys, it depends on the platform you're using. If you're using WordPress, it's really, really simple. You'll simply go into Pages, and then you're going to look for your home page. Here we go. So home page, just do Classic Editor. And I'm using a separate SEO plugin. So if you're using that, it'll be a little bit different. But all you're going to do is go down to where it says Title. And this is where you're going to put that homepage title tag. And then you have what's called the meta description. Typically you have 160 characters here. You're going to want to work in the keywords that you're targeting, as well as some type of a call to action. So before you guys submit your content, you need to go and optimize your website around your core keywords. And then we're going to do what's called link building. So the two main parts of Google's algorithm are on-site optimization, which we've just taken care of here, and then what we call building up your off-site authority or your off-site credibility. And that's typically done, or that's primarily done through acquiring links. So in digital marketing, a link, it essentially acts as a vote. It's a third-party website saying, hey, this website is relevant for a particular keyword, and that's what's called anchor text. So we're going to want to use as the anchor text the same keywords that we optimized our homepage around. And I'll give you guys an example of what this looks like. So this is the Las Vegas real estate agent I've been working with. He created a piece of content, I created a piece of content, we exchanged it. I wrote about the 3 predictions for the 2019 real estate industry. I really want you guys to look at this post for two different things. First is going to be, first it's going to show you how to create proper anchor text and how to create the proper link. And then second off, I want you to read the content and see, how a quality post is constructed. You're going to want to, if you're writing about facts and statistics, you're going to want to link out to other sites. You're going to want to be very factual. Your grammar is going to need to be, proper. The content needs to have some substance. I mean, that's the whole thing here. Is we're not just getting junk links like your SEO agency you hired, what they're getting. We're trying to add value to the internet and add value to the person's website to the person's website who is adding our piece of content, and vice versa. The person who's giving you the content to post on your website, it needs to be very high quality and add value to your site. So that's extremely important. In this piece of content down at the bottom, you can see that Utah County Real Estate Agent is the link. So if we click on that, you can see down here at the bottom, it goes w2realtors.com. So that's the link. So essentially what's going on is this website is saying, hey, I'm going to link to this website. I'm going to vote that it is relevant. This website deserves to rank for Utah County Real Estate Agent. So when you guys construct your post, what you're going to want to do is look at the sample topics I'm sending you. That will be in the email, and it should give you some ideas on topics to write about, or ideas for content. You will go through and you'll write a great you'll write a great post, and in the bottom of the post you'll somehow work in Orlando Real Estate Agent, and you will make that the link, which will then point back to your website. The easiest way, you can easily construct the post in Word. Let's take a quick look at how we would do that. So just open up Word, and you can use any other text editor or whatnot. But this makes it really easy. You don't have to know HTML to add the link, which is very simple anyway. I could show you that, or I will show you that at some point. But let's pretend like we wrote the post in Word. We really spent some time. We thought about a great headline, a unique headline. We did our best to write a great piece of content. If you guys don't have a lot of writing skills, there are many realtors that come from more of a sales background as opposed to a writing background. I'm somewhat like that. My sister, she's an attorney. And she writes a lot. I did the heavy lifting on the post, but then I'll kick it over to her and just have her put the final touches, the finishing touches on it, just to make sure that you really present yourself well, and that the person who's receiving this content will accept it and will also share it on social media. So good. So we're going to go down and we're going to look where it says Utah County Real Estate Agent. So we'll take the link out really quick. Let's see here. Just go into hyperlink. Let's edit the link. Let's remove the link. Okay. And then, shoot, it didn't remove. Come on, baby. Let's try that one more time. Add hyperlink. Let's just manually delete it. Okay. Jeez. Okay, there we go. So then you'll just go in, highlight what you want to be the link. So this is going to be the keyword that you're trying to target, the keyword that you've optimized your homepage around. Click on hyperlink, and then just simply type in the URL to your homepage. Hit OK. All right, good. So now that the content is built, you guys need to shoot it over to me. So save this. We're going to save this, and we'll just put my name. So Jonathan Wickham, guest post. Save that as a Word doc. Okay, so now I'm going to be sending you guys in the email, it'll be a link to the form, and that's how you're going to submit your content. It's really, really simple. So we'll just go. You guys will receive a link. It'll say guest blog post form. You're just going to upload the content. So yeah, just go to File, Upload. Yeah, this is where I'm constructing it. But it'll look basically the same as this for you guys. You will just click File, upload the piece of content, click Submit, and it'll shoot over to me. I will receive it, and then distribute the post accordingly. There are a few things to note here. I'm giving you guys a few days to write your content. The form will be shut down on the 13th of February. So yeah, make sure you get everything written and you submit before then. Yeah, the person whose content you're going to post, you'll receive that on the 14th. And then you need to upload that to your website by the 16th. I'll send out another kind of email or whatnot, reminding everyone to upload their content by that time. And that will be probably another form, which will be just a quick questionnaire where you can say, yes, I uploaded the post. And we can go from there. One more quick last thing. We have had over 350 agents apply to Build My Agent. If you live in a larger marketplace or you tried to claim a larger marketplace, you can pretty much guarantee there are other agents that are trying to do the same thing. If you don't participate in the guest posting program, I will just go down the list, and the next person that requested that marketplace, I will invite them to join. If you guys have any questions about the submission process, about the on-site optimization, about link building, pretty much about anything with the program, go ahead and leave me a comment in Facebook, and I will respond promptly. Have a great day, and I look forward to working together.